sweet corn for breakfast. Slept about an hour or so. Smiled a little in the sunshine, deciding on where to go. Meet me on the way to the Natural History Museum. I think that's what she said, a little bit sad.